I love motorsports. I eat, sleep, and breathe it. This is all I do. If I'm not here with Monster Jam, I'm racing in NASCAR. It's just what I love to do.
Welcome to the University of Northwestern Ohio, the official educational partner of Monster Jam.
If you're going to learn it, you're going to learn it here at UNOH, and you're going to learn how to do it the right way the first time.
The school is top-notch. Out of 10 it's a 10.
The UNOH gives a really great foundation for me and everyone else here to go out and do what they love.
UNOH provides great technicians that Monster Jam needs, craves, wants, and get out there and get the job done.
I don't want to sound corny, but I'm blown away. You do everything at UNOH.
If your dream is to work for Monster Jam, be on a race team, or work anywhere in the high-performance motorsports industry, a degree from UNOH is like having the keys to an amazing career.
I've been on the motorsports team, and I'm actually the head engine builder currently for the motorsports team. And now I'm going to get to build these massive engines for these trucks. It's just incredible. I am living my dream.
UNOH is a place where not only can you find your passion, you can find people who are passionate with you.
UNOH is more than just a tech school. We're a full college campus offering diplomas, associate and bachelor degrees, and even an MBA.
We know when they're coming from UNOH, it's like a big stress relief. We know they're going to be good. We know they know what they're doing, and they're going to be able to have our backs every chance that they get.
Want to get a taste of your future? UNOH gives you real hands-on experience. 70% of the time, you'll be rolling up your sleeves doing hands-on work in the classroom and the shop.
Like, you're in the shop for 5 hours. You're honestly working on the car, doing the work, like learning it hands-on, and it's fun.
The other 30% is spent learning the theory behind the technology from the best in the business.
These instructors are here to devote their 5 hours a day that they're with you to making sure you understand the curriculum to a professional level, because when you're out of the school, you're on your own.
And did we mention we provide most of your tools while you're a student? That alone could save you thousands of dollars. At UNOH, you'll get a complete college experience surrounded by more than 4,500 students. But what truly sets us apart is our 20-to-1 student-to-teacher ratio in technical classes, which ensures you'll receive all the individual attention you need. It's like having a mentor and college professor wrapped into one.
I don't think there's a university anywhere else in the country that can provide the type of education and experience that UNOH offers.
Want the best facilities in the country? At UNOH, you can enjoy our skid track 4x4 course, a huge fleet of vehicles, including a Monster Jam truck, and world-class facilities that will get you trained and ready for your future career in the high-performance motorsports industry.
These trucks roll over a lot. We bend down bars, bend A-pillars. We got to cut all that out. Sometimes when you start cutting bent bars, everything starts pinging and throws the whole chassis out of whack. That fab class taught us all of that. Fab work is our main deal with Monster Jam trucks.
I've definitely put Nico to work this year. I've been breaking the truck quite a bit. He's always on it, always getting it back, ready to go. And if it wasn't for him, there's no way that I could do this.
But the nice part is I don't have to teach them everything. They learn stuff there. They can then work towards helping me get stuff done. So I'm not spending my whole day watching over them and teaching them. They know how to do it. I would point anybody in that direction. Go there, learn what you need to learn, and then come see me, because I could use a few more guys.
For your convenience, classes are offered in flexible block schedules, Monday through Thursday, which allows students an opportunity to get a part-time job or take part in various campus activities. A special feature of the UNOH Monster Jam partnership is that each year, a UNOH student will be given an opportunity to attend a Monster Jam driver training session.
I was one of 2 students selected to go through training, and I've got an awesome opportunity to hopefully go drive for Monster Jam for quite a long time. It's been a blast. I've already finished 3 full training sessions over in Paxton, Illinois. It's been a dream come true, really working under, learning from a legend like Tom Mentz that's been in the sport for so long.
At UNOH, we go out of our way to help our students and graduates land great jobs. This includes lifetime job assistance, an extremely active job posting board for students and employers, career fairs, and even resume services to ensure you're presenting yourself in the best possible light. And the results speak for themselves. More than 80% of our students find jobs within 6 months of graduation. Not only does UNOH offer degrees in high-performance motorsports, we also cover automotive, diesel, both light and heavy duty, agricultural equipment, alternative fuels, robotics and automation, and HVAC. Students also have the opportunity to earn degrees in fields like business, sport marketing, accounting, and so much more.
I've already gotten my associate's degree in high-performance automotive technologies. Now I'm on the College of Business side of things, where I'm learning how to manage a business and how to, run a shop and have people, delegate people under me to help do, certain tasks throughout the day.
How is UNOH able to attract students from all 50 states and 61 countries? No out-of-state tuition. No matter what corner of the globe you're from, tuition is the same for everyone. To learn more about the UNOH experience, visit our website, take a virtual tour, or follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, or YouTube. We can't wait for you to join the UNOH and Monster Jam families.